Can I have a little bit of micro love?
What?
Have a little bit of micro love.
Yeah. It's 3-wheel drive there, so it's very tricky to steer. You see what I mean? See what I mean?
Easy on the throttle.
See what I mean? I'll turn the steering right down a bit as well. You can turn it down a bit more if you want. Though. You've got to be so gentle and then just only increase it a little bit. You can't do it on the ramps, can you? Not unless it's 4-wheel drive. That's not good for it. If it flips and bounces, it's alright. If you go straight into it. Yay! Huh? Is it? Yeah. I ain't put the lipo alarm on, so do you want to hang on to that? Probably down quite low.
I'm definitely pleased I got to the downslope. It's hard, too slippy and not enough power to get it over the crest into it.
Yeah, there's plenty of power at the start, it's just